it up. Yum yum. Welcome to another Nurse Off Duty vlog. I did a lot of housework today, so I'm looking raggedy. I'm listening to Olivia Dean, so don't mind my headphones, turn it off. But you just saw that I didn't cook today either, so we ordered some chicken wings from American Deli. It was okay, and I had the drink. So now I'm upstairs. I'm going to take a shower. Been a long day. Looking crusty, feeling crusty. Skin is dry because I don't know if anybody else. When I'm rushing out in the mornings, some things have to be eliminated. And lotioning is one of those things for me. So I'm going to get caught up on that. So I'm headed to the shower. Gonna really massage down myself and stuff. All right, so again, welcome to another Nurse on Duty vlog. I'm gonna head to the shower first. I'm also gonna wash my locks. I'm gonna do a couple of videos today. I may show you some behind the scenes. So hold a moment. Currently, I do have in. Why does Oscar have to come up here? I do have in Bantu knots, so I'm gonna take those out. I'm gonna wash my hair, air dry it, and then I'm gonna do a couple of videos because I want to do videos that I want to put up for this month, Black History Month in February. You probably won't be seeing this video until March, but here's the thing. I'm gonna do a couple of shorts, so I'll insert them in this, but I have to put up some videos. I want to be more consistent. The video that I'm going to be putting up before this one, Nurse Off Duty, you'll see me taking down my Christmas tree. And again, a tidy house. A woman house tidying is such a, oh my God, so consuming. But for this video, I'm going to go to church, and probably won't take you with me, but I'm going to do my grocery shopping, and then I'm going to head to my TNCC class. So that will be what this week's edition will be about. So, yeah. All right, you just saw me doing house girly stuff, putting up that picture light. I got it off Temu, and I am loving it. The picture I got from Big Lots when it was still open, so I love that picture. I'll show you how it looks. I'm waiting for it to get less sunny, and then I'll do like a vertical picture on my phone. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm going to head to the shower because the roots are actually dirty. But before I do that, I'm going to set up the area for my makeup and then head to the shower. So right after that, I can do some filming, redo my hair, and all the things. So stay tuned. My hair's so itchy. That's why I had to take it down. It looked good, but the feel is itchy. I probably got about a week left before I need to retie, and I'm going to retie before my birthday, and then y'all stay tuned for that video soon as well, because it will be another travel vlog in the States, but travel nonetheless. So let's go prepare my desk for my makeup that I'm going to do. I'm going to do Black owned makeup products. So let's get that. Happy Black History Month. Here's a mini lock history. Let's talk about freeform locks. They are minimally manipulated. They're the original locks rooted in religion, spirituality, deep in African roots. As it says, free form. They don't comb their hair. They don't have any form of neatness. They naturally grow from the roots and take on its own form. Locks can be seen as pure culture, rooted out of patience and intention, because it really takes patience to grow your locks. There's not a rapid process. So let's move on to sister locks. These are small uniform locks installed with a patented interlocking technique. They are by choice as well, but they are versatile because you can curl them and style them in various ways. They are professional freedom, natural here without compromise. You can style them endlessly, like I said before, and they're beautiful and small with consultation and professional installation. Now, traditional locks or micro locks, which mine fall into, can be interlocked or twisted. The micro locks are a smaller version of your traditional locks. They can be neat or somewhat free form. They can be diamond shaped, brick layered, whatever you choose to do. They can be styled well as well. So, check out some of my hairstyles on my microlocks for which I DIY'd. Now I am just putting it in a head wrap while it dries. So stay tuned for my Bantu knot style on my DIY microlocks. Happy Black History Month. Stay tuned for more videos in this month. Bye, guys. Part two, Happy Black History Month. We're going to be doing some Bantu knots on my locks. And why do Bantu knots matter? Bantu knots come from Bantu speaking people of Central and Southern Africa. They symbolize cultural identity, strength and unity, pride in natural hair textures. You can switch up the style and you can have classic Bantu knots with clean spaced knots across the head. You can do middle or triangular parting, and they're great for formal occasion. So watch me do my Bantu knots as I'm using some Black owned businesses products. I'm using Basque and Leather edge tamer and a root stimulator as well. You saw me use a oil that I created myself with some cloves. It has castor oil and olive oil mainly, with some sulfur crystals to help with the flakes on my scalp and just to keep my scalp clean and for inflammation. So here's how I create my Bantu knots. I do twist down the shaft of the locks, ensuring that the root is loose, because when you twist the knot around, there will be tension on your roots. So here's a second example, ensuring that there's space between the roots, twisting it all the way down the shaft, twisting it around and securing it with bobby pins. You can also use small rubber bands as well, but I find that the bobby pins are more secure and can be adjusted throughout the day. I'm doing another one in the back. Again, the same technique applies. And so happy Black History Month for this strong lock style exhibiting our African roots. Happy Black History Month. I hope you all are celebrating and representing. Here's finished product. I'm going simple, but no, you can jazz this up by using cowrie shells. You can do twisted ribbons around the locks, which whatever colors you prefer that represent Black History Month. Just jazz it up. So bye guys. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. Part 3 of my Black History Month videos. I'm using products to do my makeup by Black owned businesses, starting out with Miss Danessa Marek herself, using her blurring balm along with the yummy serum. These together are absolutely delightful to prime my face. Then I am going to go in with this concealer from Juvia's Place. I'm using it to carve out my brows. The brows have to be nice and crisp, and then I blend that out nicely over the lids as well. I'm going to go in also with this Win Beauty concealer under the eyes just to make sure it looks beautiful and seamless. LYS. Don't sleep on this, guys. I'm using it as underpainting to bronze up my face, and then going with another Win Beauty product, the foundation, to ensure that my skin is nice and even toned. Yes, a little bit goes a long way, and then blend it over the underpainting of the bronzer. Back to Miss Danessa Marek. These blushes are so pigmented. A little goes a long way. I combined 2 colors just to give a beautiful transition. I was absolutely satisfied. And I went in with Juvia's Place's bronzer to continue to bronze up the face, carve out the nose, and just bring it up into the eyebrows. Using another Juvia's Place product as a lip liner, then the lip bar, beautiful lip stain to finish up the look. And just like that, I have a full face of Black owned businesses to do my makeup. I hope you enjoyed this series, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the look. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye. All right, guys, I've done 3 beautiful videos. This was filming day. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to do my Sunday morning makeup video. As you can see, it's dark outside. So I'm going to remove this makeup. So I did my Bantu knots. I took my hair down as you saw, washed my hair, and I'll be editing tonight. I'm going to be doing a video about locks in general, and then I'm gonna do this makeup look with Black owned products, Black whatever it is, products from Black owned businesses. Yes, so this is it. I use Miss Danessa Marek, LIS, Rihanna. So no, I didn't actually use that. I used a lot of Juvia's Place, and you'll see the video coming up soon. So I'll put that up within the week, which would have been gone a long time ago. So head back over there if you want to see these videos. And then, of course, I did the Bantu knots. I did a wrap talking about locks in general and then styling the locks. And I did Bantu locks tonight. So head over there and see my shorts. I may put them on Instagram as well. All right, so I'm going to take this makeup off because filming, you got to waste a little bit of product. So as I'm not going anywhere, but I just wanted to show you my Tear product. I'm not going to do the face care, just going to be removing the makeup. So I use this Tear Hydra Boost Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I get it off Amazon. It's very, very good. It comes like this. Just use a dollop and it just melts the makeup away. This is sufficient. And I just put it in the palm of my hand, warm it up. I should have taken off the rings, but look at that. I don't have lashes on, so I can go over my eyes and take it right off. It melts away. Listed in the description box below. It's a true miracle. This is what it looks like in the palm of my hands. Usually I just go in with a napkin and just wipe this away. Wipe it on the napkin. I usually wash it under the pipe, but I'm not getting it right now, so I'm just gonna battery almost done or done already. Still going. So pretty much this is it. So I then go in and wash my face. Use all the products I used the last time. And then this is going to be the towel. I get them actually off Temu. I'll try to link it. I just ordered 3 more boxes for $20-something. Here you go. And that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for church. Let's style this one silky pants 3 ways. Outfit number 1, we have this red sweater with the satin silky pants, black boots. I did actually wear this outfit to church. Very comfortable, very chic. I love how the pants flows, tucked this sweater in. And that's outfit number 1. Comment below what you think of this outfit. Would you wear it? Number 2 outfit, I'm wearing it a little bit more casually. The pants, as you see, with a t-shirt, a light blue t-shirt, and my purse, which matches the t-shirt. Then I added some jewelry, as you can see, just to give the casual look. Then my leather jacket and some loafers. What do you think of outfit number 2? Very easy going, movie night, just running errands. Comment below what you think of outfit number 2. Let's get into the next outfit, outfit number 3, which is a little bit more casual, business casual look. Added some tan boots, this sateen shirt, which I got from TJ Maxx, a little vest, and a purse to match. Comment below what you think of all the outfits. Bye, guys. Hey guys, it's Sunday. I'm outside walking Mr. Oscar. It's such a beautiful scenery. We do have like a little bit of waterfall down there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyway, that's not what I'm on for. Welcome back to Nurse Off Duty. I did go to church today. I did this makeup look, so you'll see it coming. Matters of the Heart, Women's Health, and Valentine's Day. I should be editing that this evening. I have a lot to do. I wasn't able to get in the supermarket part, but I'll show you the groceries that I got when I get in. I do have some clothing haul to do today as well, because I like to do my clothing hauls when I already have makeup on. So that's all the things I do when I'm off duty. I did 3 short forms yesterday, and I'm going to do a couple more today in addition to the makeup video I did this morning, and then I want to do a clothing haul. So while I am in the makeup, I make the most of it. So I'll see you guys inside. I'll show you what I got from the supermarket, and yeah, and then I'll show you probably some behind the scenes because I got to do some ironing, and then I have to cook. I'll finish off the day cooking, and then I'll pick up when I head to my TNCC class and end the video on, is it Wednesday or Thursday? I gotta go check the calendar because I do have to study as well. So see you guys. All right, so got some bananas, snacks. We got fruits, veggies, nuts, fruits, some apples, gala apples, some broccoli I'll be putting in the oven. We're gonna be meal prepping again. I have sweet potatoes, tomatoes. I'm gonna make some épices. I'm gonna make some green seasoning. I'm gonna blend up the parsley and that with onions, garlic, and some of the peppers. Here, I'm gonna add lemon and all the good things to that. Remind me that was breakfast. I got other stuff in the bag here. We got some croissants for the mums and other stuff in the bag here. So I'll pack those out. But let me get my day going because we have enough things to do. And as you can see, it's almost 3 o'clock. All right, talk to you guys later. All right, guys, I told you I'll show you some behind the scenes, but I am finished filming this aspect of, wait a minute, so I'm finished filming the clothing haul, so gonna put up the pieces and head downstairs to cook. Yep. I'm gonna eat some of the fried rice that I had yesterday. I hadn't eaten all morning. I hope you like the videos. These are some of the items that I'm wearing. So I have a lot of editing to do. So I'm gonna edit in the evening the video, nurse off duty video that I did taking on the Christmas tree and stuff. So that will be out this week, as well as some shorts videos. So yeah, gonna just put this stuff up. I hope I'll put on my Instagram when I'm putting out each video. So also subscribe to that. Follow me over there. You'll see when the videos are coming out. Let me get to putting stuff up so I can get on with my day. All right, let's go eat and cook. Just have on this plaid shirt. Still a little bit chilly. And yeah, I'm tired. But let's get this done, guys. Nurse off duty, gotta do stuff. We gotta cook, food prep, and yeah, let's go. Yeah, off duty is no fun. I don't necessarily do fun things. It's a lot of cleaning up, cooking, but going to church is always a blessing. And yeah, so let me wash the dish them so we can eat something. And then I'll cut up the veg because that doesn't need to be in. I'm gonna do broccoli and Brussels sprouts just to have some cooked greens, and then later in the week I have some fresh greens. Makeup still a go on itself. How about that? Anyway, talk to you guys later. All right, so that's it, guys. You saw the meal prep, and I believe it's Super Bowl Sunday, but I have no idea who is playing, nor am I interested. So if you are, this will be edited and posted in about 2 to 3 weeks. I wish you all the best, and I'm out for Nurse on Duty. Or I'm out, Nurse off duty. Done with my meal prep. Praise God. Let me focus. All right, let's turn the songs off. I just wanted to come and say hi. Like I said, I did not really get to show you anything about Grady. I didn't know where I was going. Child, I had to focus, and it went well. It was a good course. It was my recertification of my trauma nursing core curriculum, which I paid for because my facility doesn't offer it. It's not necessary because we're not a trauma hospital. So there's that. But, just want to keep abreast with things that are occurring and just, keep current. So I'm headed back home. Hopefully, I may stop and get something to eat and just do a day date. I didn't put any makeup on or anything like that, so I don't want to make it long either because my phone space is limited. So I'm gonna get some breakfast brunch kind of a situation, and I'll see you guys up there. All right, talk to you later.